Hello, Burger King friends. Guess what? This potential hat, which I'm deciding whether or not to wear it, has an item on here. It's got this cool skeleton, and there's a something about SpongeBob SquarePants, and it's a movie now. So that's kind of a big deal. Is that the first movie that's? It's not the first movie. It's just another one in the series. Okay, so there's another ghoulish person here, and another interesting kind of personage there. And while I'm deciding to wear this hat, what we have here is an Impossible Burger. And before I bite into this, I know I'm going to like it. And I've also had an Impossible Burger at a restaurant, and I didn't care for the restaurant version of it. So let me take a bite and see how this one's gonna go. It feels pretty good. It's got all that gooey stuff in there and everything, the onion, the ketchup, the tomato, the pickle, and it's got kind of the bun feels pretty nice. So let's see. This ain't bad. Can taste the ketchup, can taste the pickle, and you can taste the burger. It's kind of got like a flame kind of burger to it. French fries, Burger King fries with organic ketchup. That's pretty well. And this drink is kind of like what it looks. Take a little taste. It's pineapple. So it looks like this is kind of like that pineapple thing there, that business where they have that pattern. And but it tastes pretty good. Let's see what else we have here. We've got this. Let's see, that SpongeBob's is an underwater thing, right? So this is an underwater captain. Oh, that's an octopus there, okay. And there's the Jolly Roger on there. There's the kind of the ship's wheel for steering. Arr, you ready? It says on here. And this is a meal. Keep on me. Spring, I don't know. Oh, okay. So there's more fries in here. There's a little cup of, that looks like ranch dressing. And there's a little packet of fries. A couple of them fell out of the bag. So there's that. Move this hat out of the way so you can see. And here is, oh boy, look at this. These are these like chicken nuggets in there? There's some kind of nuggets. That's chicken nuggets? Let's see, it says drive-through. Nuggets, 6 pieces, ranch dip cup. So the nuggets go with the ranch dressing. And also, this thing in the bag.
Oh, that's Squidward.
I'm gonna set this over here. Maybe it'll stay there a minute. And let's see. This looks like...
See if you can rip that out.
Yeah. Okay, there it is. And there it is.
Now maybe blow on that top. It might be like a recorder.
You think, huh?
Yeah. So the
it
head...
looks like he's got some kind of musical instrument.
That's
here,
a clarinet there. So then there's the 2 holes. See if you can make some music with it.
Oh.
On the clarinet?
Yeah. let's see, there and there.
Not too shabby.
So 3 options there. That is definitely cool. And what has he got his hand like? Or what is that? Some kind of thing in his hand? What is that? Don't know.
That's his tentacle. Yeah.
Okay. So this is definitely cool. And what did we call this? This is a
SpongeBob?
SpongeBob mill.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. And there's a couple of fries left in here too, so you might as well see the whole show. There's another fry, and there's one more. And I think I'm gonna just pop it in a little ketchup here. There. So everything here is great. And
What about the bun on the sandwich?
Oh yeah, that's a Krabby Patty Impossible Whopper.
oh, that's what this is?
Yeah. What do you think of the bun?
I mentioned that before, that it looks unique and it tastes pretty good and it feels pretty good.
Do you think it tastes different than the normal?
The normal bun that they usually have?
This one's definitely more interesting. But either way, I'm not a real big person that's going to criticize their plant-based burger system, because other places didn't have that and they did. I think, were they in the forerunner? Were they the first ones? And so that to me was a big deal. So this is pretty good. How much of this, usually on these show business things, these announcers don't eat too much of it, they just talk. I would just as soon eat and not talk, but I don't really have that option. So
Yeah, I think.
what about if I try that, oh, we didn't get a napkin, I don't think, with this stuff.
I got it.
So what if I try the chicken things, thanks. And I try the chicken nuggets. I'm assuming that's what they are. And then we'll try the ranch dressing on there. Okay, here, open up the dressing. There, dressing. And here's the nuggets. And so here's a typical one of them. And these are also excellent. So everything here. So this is a Krabby Patty burger. Krabby Patty. So this stuff all goes good together and it's all good by itself. And that tomato and stuff in there is healthy. Health food. That's what it is. Health food.
This is the healthiest thing you could be eating right now on a Sunday.
So everything seems to be nautical kind of orientated, with the Krabby, the items on the hat, which I'm still thinking of wearing, by the way, and then this little musical instrument that they threw in, just to keep everybody happy and interested. And so yeah, this is really something. I have no complaints about anything here.
You could probably use that musical instrument in your harmonica class or something.
Oh yeah, definitely. Well, I think these are for sure chicken.
Oh,
Kind of taste chicken. Chickeny.
Chicken-like, yeah.
So when you go to Burger King, and if you're like me and you eat the way I do, make sure you get a couple of those little ketchup things to go along with this. And they already have the dressing.
They were out of the pie, and they were out of, there was like these cheesy bacon tater tots.
So this pineapple drink goes pretty well, but I don't know that it's nautical. But,
Well, SpongeBob lives in a pineapple under the sea.
okay. Well, then that's it then, because there's, like I said, there's that captain caricature there, and then there's the ship's wheel, and then there's that person with that's SpongeBob with the Jolly Rogers hat there.
Yep.
So it all fits together. So
I think David Hasselhoff was in the first SpongeBob movie.
no kidding, he was that beach guy.
Yeah.
Baywatch.
Baywatch.
Yeah.
Johnny Depp was in another episode of SpongeBob as well.
You know that the day David Hasselhoff was going to debut as a singer, start a singing career, and you know what day he picked? He picked the day when O.J. Simpson was driving around LA's freeways with that Bronco.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, the whole world was watching O.J. and here Hasselhoff's trying to get his singing career going. Poor guy picked the wrong date. So I guess we've been deprived of his singing abilities.
Did you ever read O.J.'s book, If I Did It?
No. But he was in a lot of movies right around the beginnings of the 70s. Big movies like Towering Inferno and other ones. And so he had a pretty good career going besides football.
How's football going?
Aaron Rodgers, 42 years old the other day, took that football. There was nobody open to throw it, so he ran it in for a touchdown.
Any final words on the Krabby Patty meal?
Yeah. I'm kind of a sloppy eater, and this this one, not just specifically this one, but the other ones too, they got so much stuff in there, it tends to kind of glob out the sides.
It's dripping.
But outside of that, so just have something underneath and to catch all the fallout. And if you got younger people too that they like this, you could also split this thing up into like 4 pieces, and I think the 4 people would probably be happy with what they got. Got tomatoes sticking
there's
out.
a commercial right there.
Yeah, the movie comes out December 19th.
So that's December 19th on the movie. So that's coming up in, what is today, the 6th, 7th today? 7th? So 7th, 19, 12. Week and a half, let's see. A little less than 2 weeks. So this is sort of promoting that, and then that will promote this, and maybe the two things will be in symbiosis, in a symbiotic balance there. There's onions in here as well. Smells good too. It even drips. If you like dripping, you can see there. It looked like there was some kind of mixture of the sauces that's dripping in. It looks like Thousand Island dressing, but I don't know if they put that kind of dressing in there. Maybe they do. That looks like the color of Thousand Island.
Yeah.
So maybe that kind of dressing's in there as well. It's kind of neat. I like this.
All right.
I tend to eat more plain, but this is a real feast for me.
Let's sign off then, do the wrap up.
Okay.
There's napkins underneath the napkins. The one by the ranch ones.
Let's see this. So let me think. Got 2 hands, so I'll hold something in each hand. Prefer to put the hat on.
Oh, yeah.
See, has this thing got a front and a back?
You could do.
I don't think it matters.
Yeah, it doesn't really matter.
I think this thing's kind of cool, so I'll put that in front. My pineapple drink, we don't know this guy's name, right?
Squidward.
Woodwig?
Squidward?
Squidward. Hello, Squidward. He's a squid. Okay. So here's the drink. There's the hat. Here's me. And there's the other assortment of things.
Play a little tune. Little thing.
I got to do that thing with my eyes?
No, play
Oh,
like a little tune.
let me see if I can get my fingers on this thing right.